Hey, welcome back to another video. I'm Adam with Global Abundance LLC, and on this channel, I talk all things real estate. So when you find value in this content I share, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe, and share. We also have a free VIP group where we share information for buyers and sellers and answer any questions that you may have. That's free to join. I'll leave the link below in the description. So today's video, we're talking about real estate and pop culture, from iconic houses that have graced our screens to, the major influence of media on property trends. So join me on a journey through the homes that have captured our imaginations and shaped some of our real estate dreams. So let's roll out the red carpet and jump right in. Now, the houses and apartments and condos that we see in movies and TV shows a lot of times become as iconic as the characters who stay in them. But what do you think makes these homes, on screen capture our hearts, and how do they influence real estate trends? So think back to the enchanting Victorian of the Home Alone series. Kevin's battleground against the intruders not only sparked nostalgia, but also set a benchmark for the quintessential family home. And at the same time, the fly and technologically advanced mansion of Tony Stark in Iron Man reflects a growing interest in smart homes. And, that also pushed the boundaries of luxury and innovation in real estate. Or what about the cozy, unconventional apartments in Friends? They represented more than just city living. They aimed to embody the essence of friendship and community in the heart of the city. And on the other hand, the grandeur of Downtown Abbey transcends time, getting you interested in historical estates and showcasing the timeless allure of traditional architecture and expansive landscapes. So the prominence of these homes in media doesn't just stop at the screen. Places like, the Home Alone house, the Friends apartment building, and even South Fork Ranch, from one of the longest running, daytime TV series, Dallas, have become tourist landmarks, boosting the real estate value and desirability of their locations. These iconic homes influence market trends as viewers of these shows seek to replicate the style, comfort, or luxury they see depicted in their favorite movies and TV shows. Iconic homes in movies and TV shows do more than entertain. They inspire and shape our perceptions of what a home can and should be. Now, reality TV has brought the world of real estate into our living rooms, providing both entertainment and education at the same time. But how do these shows impact viewers in the real estate market? So, for example, Fixer Upper and Property Brothers have not only made celebrities out of their hosts, but also normalized home renovation. They inspire viewers to undertake their own home improvement projects, increasing the demand for Fixer Uppers and driving home renovation trends. Now, $1 Million Listing offered a peek into the high-stakes, high-drama world of luxury real estate. It not only glamorized the industry, but also provides insight into the difficulty of buying and selling high-end properties, setting expectations for salesmanship and property presentation. Now, some of these shows can create the illusion of easy, quick rehabs or transactions, setting unrealistic expectations about the time, cost, and effort involved in real estate deals. Now, while these shows offer value in some capacity, their primary aim is to entertain. It's important for viewers to assess the content with the critical eye, distinguishing made-up narratives from genuine real estate advice and market reality. Overall, reality TV shapes trends and perceptions in the real estate market, blurring the lines between entertainment and reality, aspiration and attainability. It's important for real estate professionals to manage these expectations and educate their clients about the realities of buying, selling, and rehabbing properties. So, social media, I often call it a blessing and a curse, because social media influencers hold a lot of weight in shaping trends and preferences in the realm of real estate and interior design. Influencers like The Home Edit and Mr. Kate curated captivating content around home organization, interior design, and driving trends such as minimalist, aesthetics or bold, eclectic styles. Their influence was noticeable as followers looked to replicate the curated looks in their own homes, affecting interior design choices and home improvement sales. Now, influencers often promote a particular lifestyle, whether it's minimalist city living, luxury escapism, or sustainable off-the-grid living. Their portrayal of these lifestyles influences their audience real estate choices, from the location and type of property to its ecological footprint and agricultural styles. Now, platforms like Instagram and YouTube are packed to the brim with real estate influencers offering investment tips, marketing insights, and fix and flip experiences. While some offer valuable advice, it's important for watchers to seek information from credible, experienced professionals and not base investment decisions solely on influencer endorsements. And a lot of times you'll see influencers collaborate with real estate agents to showcase properties through virtual tours and digital content, expanding the property's reach and appeal. Now, these collaborations can greatly enhance a property's visibility and desirability in the market. So all in all, influencers on social media have a profound impact on real estate trends, guiding people's tastes, preferences, and decisions in a digitally connected world. As music goes, remember MTV Cribs? Genres like hip-hop narrate the raw stories of life in the concrete jungles, influencing perceptions of city living and real estate within urban communities. The gritty tales of struggle and success in these songs add an emotional depth to urban neighborhoods, making them culturally significant and in some cases contributing to gentrification and urban renewal. Country music and seaside ballads often paint idyllic pictures of rural and coastal living, driving interest in properties that offer an escape from the hustle and bustle of the city while offering serene, picturesque settings. These romantic portrayals can lead to increased demand for vacation homes and rural retreats, shaping market trends in those areas. Now, literature and music not only reflect but also influence cultural shifts. They shape how we perceive and value different types of properties and locations, driving real estate trends based on those collective cultural narratives. Now, while pop culture significantly influences real estate perceptions and choices, it's essential to look at it with discernment and a critical eye. Let's talk about how to balance inspiration from pop culture with practical real estate choices. Now, you might draw some of your inspiration from pop culture. You need to distinguish between the fairy tale of real estate and the practical realities of home ownership, maintenance, and investments. Be aware of how television and movies can impact your real estate decisions emotionally and psychologically. Strive to make decisions based on a balanced understanding of your needs, finances, and marketing conditions, and let the homes and lifestyles shown in pop culture inspire you, but tailor your real estate decisions to your own personal and financial reality. Use pop culture as a source of ideas and trends, but ground your decisions in solid research and expert advice. Stay informed about the real estate market trends and fundamentals. It takes a discerning eye, a critical mind, and an informed perspective. Embrace the inspiration, but again, ground your decisions in reality. Now, real estate and pop culture offers a fascinating glimpse into the interaction between media, culture, and where we choose to live. From iconic movie homes that inspire design trends to the influence of reality TV, social media, literature, and music on our perceptions and choices. Pop culture shapes and reflects our real estate dreams and decisions. So remember to make informed, practical decisions that serve your real estate needs and aspirations. Hey, thank you for joining me today on this trip through pop culture and real estate. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. And share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below as well. Your engagement is the cornerstone of our community. So remember to let pop culture inspire you, but let wisdom and insight guide your real estate deals moving forward. And until next time, stay inspired, stay informed, and continue to build your dreams on a foundation of applied knowledge. This is Adam, signing off.